Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can move pages in Microsoft Word. For example, you are not satisfied with the arrangement of pages you have, you can easily move a page between the pages to rearrange the pages again. First, just from View, here we have Navigation pane. Okay, Pages, I have these 6 pages. Okay, come to Headings, just apply heading for each page. Select this and from Home select heading 1. Okay, page 2 heading 1, page 3 heading 1, page 4 heading 1. You can move it to here. Okay, this page heading 1, this one also. Okay, now I have 6 headings. Each heading represents a page. For example, this one it's first page, this one it's third page. For example, I want to move first page, just select it and hold left click. I bring it to for third page. Why small thing is now it must be third page. Let's check. Yes, it's 3. For example, I want to make this page its last page, number 6. I bring it to the first page. Just select it and hold left click. Okay, you see it comes to first page. I want bring this page to second. Good. For example, this page I bring it to second page. That is the way to move pages in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.